Hey there, friends. I am going to do a quick how-to install these extension legs for the EXO X7 Ranger Plus. These are the 4 legs. They're an accessory. They do not come with the drone. And when I got them, there were no instructions. I reached out to support. They did not provide a video. So I flew yesterday and I finally figured out how to put these on, and I will show you how to do that now. So this is the drone. I'll extend these legs out. So you have your front legs here, and believe it or not, these literally just slide in. There's a slight curve here, and there's a slight curve here. They literally just slide on like that. I do not think that that is a very good design. I did fly it yesterday with the legs, and so they stay on, but I don't know. I'm going to show you the back legs, and the back legs are designed so much better than these. Again, I flew it yesterday. They did not fall off, but you could see how easily these could slide off and on. And, you know, I'm just applying a little bit of pressure when I put them on. Let me show you the back legs. Back legs are significantly better. So this is the leg here, and this has a little flip top, little clip that just kind of snaps in, just like that. And I'm going to take these off because this will be easier to show. So there's a little notch here, like a little, I don't know if you could see it, right here. And so I'm putting this leg, I mean, nobody told me to do this, but I am putting this leg right up against that little notch right there. And then I'm just bringing this over and snapping that on just like that. I'll do the other one here. So there's your little notch right there. It's not a notch, it's just an indent, for lack of a better term. And I put that, I slide this over. You see how that slides over and stops? I put that up against the indent, and then I just bring this over and snap it on. And that's it. Again, these guys go on just like this. And I guess you just kind of push them on. If there's a secret to getting these to stay on, I would love to know it, and I would love to hear that in the comments below. But basically, that is how you put these legs on the drone. That's the whole video, folks. Hopefully, if you buy these extension legs directly from EXO, this video helps you out. So while our channel is mostly camping and cooking and occasionally scuba diving videos, I probably will start including a couple of drone videos in here. Maybe not so much as a how-to, but you certainly will see some drone footage in the coming videos. So, and when I come across issues or problems or things that I can figure out that there isn't a video for, I will put them on our Little House of Beans channel. In any event, if you're a camper, you can check out my other product reviews of camping gear. Do me a favor, hit me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, all that good jazz, blah, blah, blah. That's the whole video, how to put the legs on. Thanks for watching. See you soon.